Hello everyone, what's up? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make happy birthday status video in just one click. First of all, you need to download an app whose name is Vidmix. Go to Google Play Store and search Vidmix, then you can find it. I'm opening Vidmix. After opening this app, you can see this interface. You need to scroll here and select birthday. Then scroll down. Then you can see this template. You need to click here. Make video. Then you need to select 7 pictures. After selecting 7 pictures, click OK. Then your video is processing. After processing, you can see preview. Click export. After exporting, your video will be saved your gallery automatically. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you.